Let's learn English through short nail salon conversations with vocabulary and listening questions.
Nail design, trip to the beach. Hi, I'm going to the beach soon. I want to do my nails.
That's nice. What color do you want for your nails?
I want something light, like light blue or pink.
Light blue is a great choice for the beach. Do you want a bright blue or a soft one?
I think a soft blue would be nice. Not too bright.
Perfect. Soft blue is fresh and looks good on the beach. Do you want any designs?
Maybe some small flowers or sparkles. Nothing too big.
Small flowers with a little sparkle will look beautiful.
Yes, I want it simple and cute.
Okay, I'll do soft blue with flowers and sparkle for you. You'll love it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Blue. A color like the sky or ocean. Soft. Not strong or bright, calm and gentle. Sparkle. Tiny shining bits that make something look bright. Your listening question is: what color does the customer want for her nails? Answer: she wants soft blue nails with small flowers and sparkle. Nail color, for the office.
Hi, I need a simple design for my nails. I work in an office.
Hello, I understand. You want something professional, right?
Yes, I don't want anything too bright or big, just simple.
I suggest a light pink or nude color. It's soft and professional.
That sounds good. Not too flashy.
Exactly, light pink or nude will look great for work. Do you want any designs or just color?
Just the color is fine.
Okay, I'll do light pink for you. It will look clean and elegant.
Perfect. Thank you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Light pink. A soft, pale pink color. Nude. A neutral color, similar to the color of skin. Professional. Suitable for a job or office setting, not too bright or fancy. Your listening question is: what color does the customer want for her nails? Answer: she wants light pink or nude nails. Nail design, wedding event.
Hi, I'm going to a wedding soon. I need something special for my nails.
That sounds exciting. What kind of color do you want?
I'm thinking about a soft color like white or light pink.
White is perfect for weddings. It's classic and elegant.
Yes, I like white, but I want something a little extra, maybe some sparkle.
Sparkle is a great idea. I can add some glitter or small rhinestones.
That sounds beautiful. Not too much though, just a little sparkle.
I'll do white with a bit of sparkle for you. It will look perfect for the wedding.
Thank you so much. I'm excited to see it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Extra. Something added for special effect. Sparkle. Small shiny bits that reflect light. Rhinestones. Small shiny stones used for decoration, often on nails or clothes. Your listening question is: what color does the customer want for her nails? Answer: she wants white nails with some sparkle. Nail design, evening party outfit.
Hi, I'm going to a party tonight. I need my nails done to match my dress.
That sounds fun. What color is your dress?
My dress is black, so I want something that looks elegant but not too dark.
A dark red or gold would look great with a black dress. They're elegant but still pop.
I like red, but I'm not sure if it's too bold.
Red is a classic choice for a party. But if you want something less bold, we could do a deep red or deep nude.
I think I'll go with deep red. It's bold but still classy.
Great choice. Deep red will look stunning with your black dress.
Thanks, I'm excited to see how it turns out.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Deep red. A dark, rich red color. Elegant. Stylish, graceful, and sophisticated. Pop. To stand out or be very noticeable. Your listening question is: what color does the customer choose for her nails? Answer: she chooses deep red nails. Nail design, nails for college.
Hi, I need something simple and natural for my nails. I'm still going to college.
Well, I recommend something simple and clean. You can try a short, natural look.
That sounds perfect. I don't want anything too long or bright.
We can do a light pink or nude color. It will look natural and clean.
I like light pink. It's soft and doesn't stand out too much.
Great. I can also add a small charm of a flower on one or two nails just to make it a bit more special.
That sounds cute. I'd like the charm on my ring finger, please.
Sure, I'll do light pink and add the small flower charm. It'll be simple but pretty.
Yes, exactly. I'm happy with that.
Okay, I'll start now. You'll love it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Light pink. A soft, pale pink color. Natural. Simple, not too bright or bold. Charm. A small decorative item added to nails. Your listening question is: what design does the customer want on her nails? Answer: she wants light pink nails with a small flower charm on her ring finger. Nail design, Valentine's Day.
Hi, I want to do my nails for Valentine's Day. I'm looking for something special.
That sounds great. For Valentine's Day, we can do something romantic and elegant. What kind of design are you thinking?
I love the cat eye design. It looks so cool. And maybe add a mirror finish too.
Cat eye and mirror finish are perfect for Valentine's Day.
I think a deep red would be great. It's romantic and bold.
Deep red is a fantastic choice.
Yes, that sounds perfect. I can't wait to see it.
I'm sure you'll love it. Let's get started. Let's look at the vocabulary. Cat eye. A nail design that creates a unique, shiny, and reflective effect, often with a special magnet. Mirror finish. A smooth and shiny surface on the nails that reflects light like a mirror. Romantic. Beautiful, thoughtful, and connected to love. Your listening question is: what design does the customer want for her nails? Answer: she wants deep red nails with a cat eye design and a mirror finish. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.